Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to create consistent characters on Leonardo AI. So let's start. Well, I'm here on Leonardo AI. Now let's go to this option that says consist characters. So let's click here. And well, you will find here a get start. Now you have to click here on the picture and then just create image to match, styles reference, etc. So let's create, for example, this one. Okay, you can select image or your generation, etc. So here, but if you don't want to select the picture, just close it and just write the prompt. For example, just write this one and then just generate it. Okay, this has a price, so just generate, and now you can see that we created. Just check it, and this is the way that we can create consist characters here on Leonardo AI. It's very easy to use, so only you have to use your credits, but remember that when the credits finish you have to buy more for getting more access to this function. Well guys, I hope it worked for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.